Hi, hello, and welcome to Fishy Friday. New fish recipes every Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today we will be preparing butter garlic prawn. Let's get into the video. This is one of the simplest and easiest prawn dish that you can ever cook. Now for this dish we will preheat a pan in low flame and add 10 grams of butter. And we will melt the butter in low flame so that the butter does not change its color. Now once the butter is melted, add 1 teaspoon of garlic finely chopped and fry it in the butter so that the flavors of the garlic gets infused in the butter. Now add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onions and fry it along with the garlic and the butter. Now all these ingredients have to be fried in low flame because increasing the temperature would change the color of the dish. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now it's time to add the prawns. Now I've taken around 250 grams of prawns cleaned and deveined. So I'm going to add that. Let's fry the prawn till it turns its color. Add some salt for taste. Now we could see that there is water being extracted from the prawn as it shrinks. We will allow the prawn to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some extra butter if required. Once the prawns are cooked, add 1 pinch of cilantro or coriander finely chopped. Now to reduce the consistency, we will add 1 teaspoon of plain flour and mix it. Mix it till it reduces and coats the prawn with the gravy. Now turn off the stove. Hope you love this video. Please share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.